In this video, we will look at simple mesh editing in geometry nodes. First, how do I make this cube into this shape? Let's think about it for 5 seconds. Just select the top face and set the scale to 0. For a video on how to select the top, see the video on the card above. After selecting the top face, you can use the Scale Elements node. Alternatively, you can achieve the same result using the Set Position node. I think there are many other ways. I'm not sure because the Transform node doesn't have a selection socket. So, how do I make this shape with a cube this time? Let's think about it for 5 seconds. Just select the top face and set the size to 0 on the x-axis. The Scale Elements node provides this option. Just select a single axis, make it apply only to the x-axis, and then reduce the scale to 0. This video ends here. Thank you for your time.